RICE is an acronym for a type of treatment that involves rest, ice, compression, and elevation. Doctors may recommend this treatment when a person has injured muscle, tendon, or ligament. Rest. Avoiding use of the injured area. Immobilization prevents further injury and gives the body time to recover. Rest the injured area. Avoid moving it and try to keep weight off it. Use splints, braces, canes, or crutches when available. Next is ice. Applying ice packs or bags of frozen vegetables to the area without them touching the skin directly. Cold reduces pain by numbing the affected area. Ice the injury for 20 minutes to 4 to 8 times a day. This is especially necessary within the first 3 days. Never allow ice to touch the skin directly. Compression. Wrapping the injured area with an elastic bandage to provide support, reduce blood flow, and limit swelling. Pressure keeps swelling under control. Compression is effective for up to 1 week. Wrap the bandage tightly enough to support the area without cutting off blood flow. Especially elevation. Keeping the area raised above the level of the heart to reduce swelling. Soft tissue injuries include sprains, strains, and contusions, which are commonly known as bruises. Keeping the injured body part above the heart reduces swelling and the associated pain and discomfort. It reduces swelling and bruising by making it more difficult for blood to reach the injury. Experts say it is best to elevate the area for 2 to 3 hours a day.